If you're wondering how to create a course on LearnWorlds, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to set up your first course on LearnWorlds, while also covering some important pros and cons of using this platform. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start building your course, plus I'll share some great alternatives that might better suit your needs. First thing you'll need to do is sign up for LearnWorlds. It's pretty straightforward. Just head to their website and create an account. After you've done that, you'll be brought to your dashboard where all the magic happens. Now, let's get started creating your first course. The second thing you'll do is click on Create New Course. You'll be prompted to enter the name of your course, a description, and an image to represent it. This step is crucial because this is how your course will be presented to potential students. Make sure you have a catchy title and an engaging description. Next thing is adding your course content. This is where LearnWorlds shines, as they offer multiple types of content options. You can add video, text, quizzes, and even interactive elements to really engage your students. LearnWorlds provides a drag-and-drop course builder, which makes this process easy and quick. The fourth thing to keep in mind is the layout of your course. Organize your lessons into modules or chapters to make it easy for your students to navigate. This is important for user experience and keeping students engaged from start to finish. Moving on to the next point, you'll want to set your pricing and access levels. LearnWorlds allows you to choose from a one-time payment, subscription-based pricing, or even a free course option if you want to attract more people into your funnel. Make sure you pick the right pricing strategy based on your target audience and goals. Now, let's talk about the design of your course page. LearnWorlds offers a lot of customization options here, so you can really make your page stand out. You can adjust colors, fonts, and even create a custom URL for your course. The downside here is that it can get a bit overwhelming with all the options, so it might take some time to figure out the perfect design. Finally, before you launch your course, you'll want to test it out. LearnWorlds gives you the option to preview your course as if you were a student. This is a great feature to make sure everything looks good and functions properly before going live. Now, before I wrap up, I want to be transparent with you. While LearnWorlds is a powerful platform, it does have its downsides. Some of the features can be a bit tricky for beginners, and it's a bit pricier than other platforms out there. But don't worry, I've got something for you. At the end of this video, I'll be sharing an exclusive extended free trial to LearnWorlds, but I'll also be introducing some amazing alternatives that might actually be a better fit for your course creation goals. These alternatives also come with a free trial, and through the link in the description, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to my viewers. Stick around to find out which platforms might actually offer a better experience and better value for your needs.